welcome to my channel.
Alright, if y'all been rocking with me from day one, y'all know when I started my channel, I was a bald head scallywag, but I got hair now. And I just want to put this out there that glue and adhesive does not take out edges. Improper care takes out edges. Just wanted to let you guys know that I wear wigs and I still have all of my edges. Yes, I have a really big forehead, but that's just something I was born with. But when you spray the freeze spray on your edges, you want to make sure you get every single piece of hair out of the way. Then you're going to go ahead and put your cap on to create your ball cap method. This method that I'm going to be doing today, I haven't done on my channel before, but it's a really good technique and I suggest that you guys try it.
Freeze! Give me your money! Right now! Get on the ground!
Throughout this tutorial, you'll see my personality. I'm really a jokester. I play a lot. But yeah, you're going to go ahead and cut your ears out as usual. You don't have to pull your cap all the way down. I don't know what I thought I was doing and I thought that this would be a good idea, but soon you'll see that this really isn't a good idea at all. Then you're going to take the 91% alcohol. Before you put your cap on, you want to clean your skin with this. I didn't get that part on camera, but I did clean my skin off prior to putting this cap on. And I'm going to put the cap on. I'm going to put the alcohol on top of the cap as well. Then I'm going to get my blow dryer and make sure everything is completely dry. I honestly and truly don't know why I thought this was a good idea, but you'll see that I'm just going to have to start all over from playing so freaking much. Do not try this at home because I almost poked my eye out. And besides that, I just wasted a beautifully cap. Like, I just wasted a beautiful cap because it shredded all the way up and it's just useless now. So I had to start all over again, but I'm not going to show you guys all of those steps. I'm just going to fast forward and jump right into where I need to be. So your steps are going to be alcohol. Then you're going to use the skin guard, which is what I'm spraying on my skin now and on the cap now. Then you want to go in with the adhesive. And this is the best adhesive out right now. And I'm going to put the reviews at the end of this video so you guys can see, just so y'all know that I'm not lying, I'm not capping, I'm not pretending. And this is the tool that I'm going to be using with spreading this adhesive. And I know you guys are probably wondering, like, why is she putting the alcohol on the cap? Why is she putting the alcohol on her skin? Why is she putting the skin guard on the cap? Why is she putting the skin guard on her skin? The reason for doing this is because the key to a long-lasting, flawless install is to take out any type of moisture and any type of oils. So I did it on my skin, of course, but the cap is literally and honestly where the wig is going to be applied. Most of it, some of the wig, some of the lace is going to be on my skin, but most of it is going to be on the cap. Once you take that adhesive and go around the very front of your hairline, and once it dries, you're going to take the Gots to Be Free spray and you're going to spray it on your hairline where you apply the glue or the adhesive, whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to spray it a little bit behind your hairline, like where your edges are. Then you're going to sit underneath the dryer until your cap gets completely dry and completely hard. Once I start to cut this cap, you guys are going to see how easy this technique is, and if you did it right, how well this technique is going to work for you. The reason why you want to spray the Gots to Be Free spray a little bit behind your hairline, like where your braids are, is because when you start to lay the glue, you'll see. I'll explain it when I get to that point because I don't want to confuse y'all. I'm not going to worry about cutting the back of the cap off because this little scrunchy part is keeping my braids up, and I really don't want to sew my braids down. So yeah, I'm just going to keep that little scrunchy part on so my braids can stay up. Now I'm going to move on with putting makeup around the front of my hairline. You want to go in with a shade that's slightly darker than you. Not completely darker than you, but slightly darker than you. Just a little bit, just so it can blend flawlessly. If you watched my tutorial of my updated plucking method, this is the same exact wig, the 13x6 parting space lace front wig. And this can be purchased at hairbyerickaJ.com. Make sure you use the discount code that's in the description box because, yeah, only my YouTube subscribers see that code. Only my YouTube subscribers get that code. That same makeup that you put on the front of your cap, you're going to put that same makeup on the hairline on the inside of this wig. I'm going to go in with the Hold Me Down Skin Guard one more time and spray it on my skin and on the cap and on the lace of the wig and blow dry it before I start to apply the adhesive. So this is where you're going to absolutely have to pay attention to every single thing that I'm doing. Don't just go in and put the adhesive all around in front of your hairline. No. You just want to put it on the cap and a little bit in front of the cap. Pay attention now. I'm going to zoom in for you. Pay attention. Pay attention, please. As you can see the, width of where I applied the adhesive, and you just want to stay within that range for right now. Don't go any further. Don't go any further because I'm telling you, you're going to mess up your install and you're going to be mad and y'all not going to blame me. No. Follow what Erica J tells you to do now. I absolutely love this adhesive because it dries so quick. And I'm just so proud of this product because of how amazing it is and how well the reviews are on this product. So yes, like I said, you want to stay within this range. Stay on the cap behind your hairline and stay a little bit in front of the cap. You're going to do this process 3 times or more. It's your preference, but the minimum will be 3 times for me. Then you're going to go ahead and pull the wig up to where you're going to actually lay your wig or where you want your wig to lay. I got a big old forehead, so I could go down far and it's still going to be okay for me. But it's honestly up to you and where you want your wig to lay. You're not going to focus on putting the wig where the adhesive is. You're going to focus on putting the wig where you want your wig to actually lay. Those 3 layers that we did is solely just because you want your wig to stay in place. You don't really want it to be, your hairline. Don't worry about, oh, I didn't get it in the glue. I didn't get it where the adhesive is. It's not sticking in the right spot. Don't worry about that because that's not what those 3 layers were for. Those 3 layers were for your wig to just be in place. Now, when you go ahead and cut this lace off, you're going to see why we did what we did. I know some people are going to ask, so I'm just going to go ahead and say it. The reason why I'm hot combing the hairline is because I just want the hair to be out of the way. Now you're going to go ahead and cut the excess pieces of lace off. Now that the lace is cut off, you can see why we did what we did. Because these areas where your hairline is not down on the wig, you're just going to go in with the adhesive, the same exact steps, but you're going to use something. In this clip, I'm using the butterfly tool, the butterfly palette with the tool, and I'm just going in the creases and crevices of where I need this lace to lay down at, and just fixing any boo-boos and any errors that I may have made in any of the pieces where I wanted my hairline to be very precise. Because I know we all hate putting adhesive on our hairline and the glue comes down too far, and it's just a mess. Because when you try to go and remove that, your whole wig is lifting up by the time you try to clean off the hairline. So that's the purpose of doing what we did. I want y'all to get into how well this adhesive is sticking, and I haven't even wrapped my hair down with the band or anything. Now I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit, and I'm going to start to take out my baby hair and create my baby hair. I have a fan on, so that's why you see my hair flying in another direction, because I have a fan on where I'm doing my hair at. You want to go ahead and get your hair out of the way, whether you use a scrunchie or a clip. Whatever you're going to do to get your hair out of the way, do that. Then you're going to go ahead and just cut your baby hair. The shorter they are cut, the more natural they will be. But you don't want to go too short, because don't go too short now. Just stay within the range that you see me showing y'all, because if you go too short, you're just going to be looking crazy. So don't do that. Just cut them exactly how you see me doing it, but don't go any longer than that, because anything longer than that is going to be a freaking mess. Then you're going to take some water, spray it on your hairline again, get the styling foam, get the Fluff Stuff styling foam, and start to create your baby hair. Wrap them bad boys on down, go and sit under the dryer, and boom, voila, we have it. You'll see the finishing touch of your baby hair being dry. And now we're just going to go to the styling process. I'm going to hot comb my roots, and today I'm going to be putting some curls in my hair and some layers. I already have a video showing that technique, and it has about 7.9 million views right now. It's like one of the most viewed videos on my channel, with me melting the lace and putting curls and layers in the wig. It's amazing. I think you guys should go check that out and watch it. I'll put the link down in the description box. I'll also put the link down in the description box of me plucking this wig. And I'll put the link of where you can purchase this unit as well. I have a love-hate relationship with the HD lace, but lately I've been loving it because the actual fabric and the material that I've been making these wigs with is way more durable than the first HD lace that I purchased. So these are made way more durable, and you can use these more than one time, unlike the first HD transparent lace that I came across. I always wear long hair down my back, down to my booty crack. But today I'm going to be trying something new. I wanted to go for a little grown and sexy look. So yeah, this is a 20 inch body wave wig, and I got someone to color this for me. I got my cousin to color this wig for me, and I love the way the color came out. I'm really not a color fanatic as much as I used to be, but I'm just trying something new, something grown and sexy, like I said. And I just went in and fixed my part. I've shown that on my channel so many times before, and I really think that technique is useful, because it can really make or break your style when your part is just out of whack. And I went ahead and curled this and layered this off camera, but I'm going to let you guys see how it came out. And like I said, I'm going to put everything in the description box and the links to where you can purchase these products and these items. But really and truly, the main purpose of this video was for me to show you how to properly use all of my products that I showed in this video. Because without using them properly, they're not going to work the way you're expecting them to. But I went ahead and I got beat by court, and I'm going to show you guys the little photos I took. Now hold up, wait a minute. I know y'all ain't think that video was about to be over just right there and just right then. Let me show y'all how I put this adhesive to the test, because so many people are like, oh, is it waterproof? Oh, is it sweat resistant? I'm gonna let y'all be the judge.